everyone, this is Fai, and today I want to show you guys a lock palm inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. I'm going to do the base makeup first. And then cover the blemishes and hair cycles. For the eyebrows, I'm going to make it look as natural as possible. I'm going to contour my nose and my jawline to make my face look more dimensional. Now, let's do the eye makeup. The concept of the eye makeup is using light eyeshadow colors with additional glitter on top of it. This is the accent part of the eye makeup. Apply a pink color onto the other corner of the eyes. And then apply light purple color onto the lower lid just next to the pink eyeshadow. And let's move inwards by applying light blue purplish color around here. I have wider face than I use, so it's kinda difficult to pull off this look, especially with this kind of hairstyle. For the lower lashes, I'm going to apply mascara to the lower lashes and then quickly dab a little bit of blue purplish color on top of the eyelashes. And let's apply red lip color and create a full lips. Now the makeup is done. So this is the finished look. What you think about this makeup look? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy watching my tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notification of my new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!